Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought of sharing my recipes in the form of a vlog. This is my first vlog. It's a Friday. I woke up at 7:30. During weekdays my day starts at 5 o'clock. To kickstart the day I am going to prepare some tea for my husband and myself. My son likes to have a cup of milk. For breakfast I am going to prepare Puri Bhaji, my family favorites. For this I have taken 1.5 cup of wheat flour, adding some salt, pouring water little by little. Knead it well and make a smooth dough. Let it rest for 5 minutes. Meanwhile I am going to prepare bhaji. Here I have 4 potatoes, peel off the skin. Cut them into cubes. For spiciness, I am taking 4 green chillies, 1 small sized ginger and 1 onion. Finally chopping the vegetables. Let's prepare the curry. Adding 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, splatter it. Mustard seeds started to splatter, adding finely chopped ginger and green chillies. Saute it well. When its raw taste and smell go off, we can add thinly sliced onions. Sauteing it until it becomes translucent. Time to add cubed potatoes. Adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Two cups of water. Adding some salt. Allow this to cook for almost 10 to 15 minutes. Adding some curry leaves. Dough became soft, so let's prepare puri. Take a small ball sized portion out of the dough, flatten it. Curry started to boil, it's not yet ready. Take a kadai and pour enough oil. Once the oil is medium hot, we can drop the puris. Oil is hot enough. Flatten it with medium thickness. Dropping this into the hot oil, gently press it. You can see the puri started to puff up. Cook both sides evenly, flipping in between. So this is ready. Transfer this into an oil absorbent paper. Let's prepare all the puris like this. So this is ready. Curry is almost ready. Potatoes and all cooked well. I am just adding half a teaspoon of garam masala. To save time, mash it with a potato masher. Curry is ready. Check salt and add if required. So, breakfast is ready to serve. Serving for my family. And I'm having my breakfast. It's time to water the plants. We have some plants in the balcony. Most of the plants got spoiled when I went for vacation. Now we have only this much. Aloe vera need very little water. My curry leaves plant. For lunch, I am going to prepare chicken fried rice. So let's start the procedure. We need 1.5 cup of Basmati rice. Wash it well. Heat enough water in a kadai. Adding cleaned and washed Basmati rice. Cook this until it is 3/4 done. Meanwhile, let's prepare chicken. Here I am taking 500 grams of chicken breast, boneless pieces. Cut them into small pieces. Rice is 3/4 done. You can see here. Drain this in a colander. Cutting the vegetables for fried rice. We need 2 bell peppers. I have some green peas. This is optional. And we need 1 carrot. Cutting into small pieces. Carrot and capsicums are ready. Chopping some spring onions, which we will use while garnishing. We need 6 cloves of garlic. Finely chop them. Now we need to cook chicken, adding 1 teaspoon of pepper and salt. Take a non-stick kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add chicken pieces. Once its color starts to change, we can add 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, half tablespoon of vinegar and 3 tablespoons of red chilli sauce. Cover it up. Cook this for 5 to 8 minutes in medium flame. This is ready. Transferring this into another pan. Heat 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Add finely chopped garlic. When its raw flavor go off, we can add finely chopped carrots. Along with this, I am adding green peas. Cook this for 2 minutes. Adding cooked chicken along with this sauces. Chopped capsicums. Adding cooked rice. Adding some salt and black pepper. Black pepper 3/4 teaspoon. In a very low flame, cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. Finally, some spring onions. Chicken fried rice is ready to serve. We are moving towards Dubai Silicon Oasis, which is very nearby. It's a tea time, so we stopped near to a restaurant. The building what you can see here is Dubai Silicon Oasis. This is Mirdif city center. We have reached near to Dubai fish market. Entering inside the fish market. Entrance itself, you can see so many outlets here. My son is having a look at the toys. Outlets for so many ladies' fancy items. I did not record the inside portion of a fish market. We bought some fish and going back home. On my right hand side you can see Dubai frames. Far away distance you can see Burj Khalifa. We have reached our apartment parking area. Evening time I thought of preparing some Gobi Manchurian. For this I have taken a medium sized cauliflower. Cut the cauliflower florets. Boil it adding some salt. In the meantime I am going to prepare batter for frying cauliflower florets. We need 4 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour and 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Add some water and make a thick batter. Adding little bit of salt and half teaspoon of pepper. Mix well. We need to just boil this one, do not overcook. We need 5 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1 medium sized onion finely chopped, 3 finely chopped green chillies. Now we need to fry these cauliflower florets by dipping into the prepared batter. Fry in batches. Heat oil for deep frying. Fry this until it gets a crispy outside coating. So this is ready. Sauces we need 2.5 tablespoons of red chilli sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Heat 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Sauteing finely chopped green chilies and garlic. Adding finely chopped onions. Prepared sauce mix. Mix well. Add 1 cup of water and let it boil. Take half tablespoon of corn flour in a bowl and make a thin batter. Pour this into the sauce mixture. Mix well. Add fried cauliflower. Coat well with all these sauces. Finally some spring onions. So Gobi Manchurian is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked today's video. See you soon. Until then, bye bye.